Thank you for clicking our video. You can also shop over 4,000 more cars and trucks online at edmartin.com.
Take a ride in the 2018 Odyssey. The Honda Odyssey is a showcase of distinguished style, captivating technology, and advanced safety features. A must for all families and is priced below $35,000. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, steering wheel audio controls, anti-lock braking system, power lift gate, Bluetooth, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, hard disk drive media storage, four-wheel disc brakes, aluminum wheels. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.
Nine convenient locations, 12 top-selling brands, and over 4,000 new and used cars and trucks online at edmartin.com. Ed Martin is the only name you need to know.